In this video, we'll cover pre-proof detailing of straight edge penetrations. Straight edge penetrations are used for columns, H-piles, rakers, and any penetration that has straight, smooth sides. You'll need pre-proof membrane, butane liquid membrane, pre-proof tape, pre-proof CJ tape, butane primer, roller, knife, V-roller, trowel, an AdCore 500S or other GCP approved water stop system. The first step is ensuring you have a proper substrate, either compacted earth or stone or a mud slab. Mud slab should receive at minimum a float finish to achieve a regular and smooth substrate, free of protruding aggregate with no voids greater than ½ an inch. Earth or stone should be compacted to a level that won't be displaced during installation and concrete placement. Any penetration coming through compacted earth or stone needs to be grouted solid. Begin by cutting the pre-proof membrane to within ½ inch of the column, ensuring it isn't riding up the column. If the membrane is riding up the column, trim the excess. If the membrane is cut ½ inch to 2 inches from the column, apply pre-proof tape to fill the gap. If the gap is more than 2 inches, a new piece of pre-proof membrane should be cut. All relief cuts should be taped with pre-proof tape. Then remove the release liner and roll. All concrete and metal surfaces of the penetration receiving butane membrane must be treated with a butane primer prior to proceeding. Install the butane liquid membrane with a 1-inch fillet around the base, a 3-inch flashing up the penetration, and 3 inches out onto the pre-proof itself. Repeat this around all sides of the penetration. While the liquid membrane is still uncured, fold a 12-inch butane membrane sheet in half and position the folded crease tight against the penetration. The membrane should extend 6 inches past the column on each side. Then flash the butane up the penetration and out onto the pre-proof sheet. Next, create relief cuts just out from the corner of the penetration, cutting at a slight upward angle. By starting your cuts just out from the corner, it ensures you won't overcut, and when you stretch the butane around the sides of the penetration, you'll achieve a tight, uniform seal. After all 4 sides are flashed with the butane sheet, add pre-proof CJ tape onto the butane sheets, starting at the base and extending beyond the butane sheet by 2 inches. Again, roll the tape. Repeat the process up the vertical face, starting flush at the top of the butane sheet and extending 2 inches past the edge of the column. Make a relief cut in the CJ tape and wrap the corner, keeping it flush with the column. Roll the CJ tape to bond the detail to the concrete. The top edge of the butane and CJ tape should now be sealed with the butane liquid membrane termination. Roll the overlapping, intersecting T-joints with a V-roller to ensure a complete seal of the tape to the membrane. Finally, a GCP-approved water stop, such as AdCore, should be installed above the termination seal. With this detail completed, you've achieved a proper watertight termination to maintain the continuity of the pre-proof waterproofing system. For more information about GCP products and step-by-step videos for other details, visit gcpat.com/learn-preproof.